Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to fill out a Medicaid application online. It's a straightforward process if you know the steps. First, you'll want to navigate to your state's official Medicaid or Health and Human Services website. Look for the section dedicated to applications. You'll typically start by creating an account or providing some initial personal details to begin your application journey. This ensures a secure and personalized experience. Before you dive deep into the application, it's super helpful to have all your documents ready. You'll need identification for yourself and any household members, like a driver's license or state identification card. Also, gather proof of income, such as recent pay stubs or tax returns. Don't forget residency verification, perhaps a utility bill. Having these items organized beforehand will save you a lot of time and make the process much smoother. Now, let's talk about filling out the online form itself. Take your time and be very precise with every piece of information you enter. You'll go through sections covering household details, income, and resources. It's crucial to report everything accurately. For example, if you have a household of 3 people, ensure all 3 are listed with their respective details. Always double-check your entries for any errors before moving forward. Once you've reviewed everything, it's time to hit that submit button. You'll usually receive a confirmation number or an email acknowledging your submission. Make sure to save this information. It's important for tracking your application status. After submission, be ready for potential follow-up. Sometimes, the agency might need more details or schedule an interview. Responding promptly will help ensure your application is processed efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.